Hi there, my name is Nils with Learn to DIY, and in this video I'm going to show you why I think the IKEA Kallax shelving system may just be one of the most versatile and flexible pieces of furniture out there. Now these units can be left open like you see here behind me, which is a pretty popular way to put books in them or different things like that. But you can also use different bins like these bamboo ones here. You can use different plastic bins, and IKEA sells a whole bunch of those. You can also put door fronts on them, and you can even put drawers in them. And in this video today, I'll be showing you how to install the doors as well as the drawers. And you'll be able to see that these come in a variety of different colors for the shelf units as well as for the doors and drawers. So you get quite a combination, and they're extremely versatile. Another way that IKEA makes things easier is by offering a planner on their website. And this is a little app of sorts within their website that allows you to configure any sort of Kallax shelving unit that you'd like. In the planner, you can choose the different sizes of furniture that are available, and then you can actually stock up the cubbies here with the drawers, with the doors, or any of the containers that they have available. Now installing feet on any of these or legs is particularly easy. This is actually a leg set from, if I'm not mistaken, the IKEA, yeah there it is, the IKEA, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, series, but this works really well on the Kallax as well. So with these, it's just got 4 feet, and each of them has a triangle corner and a few screws to drive in. So here we have the Kallax drawer set. Speaking of which, we'll grab the insert here, and you're going to fold it in so that the colored side is in, and you have the rails opposite one another like this. Now to put together the drawers, we're going to start out by putting the front face down and put the line close to you. This is going to be where the insert for the bottom of the drawer goes. Next, we're going to take our caps, and there's little arrows on them pointing towards where the screws are. So our screws are coming up from the bottom, so we'll point the arrow that way. Now we just have 2 final pieces. We're going to put in the handle, a little drawer pull. So what tips or tricks do you have when working with these shelving units? I'd love to hear in the comments section below. Also be sure to check out the links in the description for some of the links to the products we've talked about. I don't make any money off of these. This is not an affiliate video or anything like that, but I just wanted to kind of share what I think is a pretty versatile system from IKEA. It's pretty affordable and gives you tons of options. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about how you can assemble these the easy way and use a couple of shortcuts and just watch the process and see how it's done, it's probably easier than you might think, and you can check that video out right here. I'm Nils with Learn to DIY. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.